Cleaning spills on shag carpet can be challenging due to its large fibers. To clean, vacuum carefully and blot stains immediately. You can use a vinegar cleaning solution or dry carpet shampoo. Mix equal parts vinegar and lukewarm water for the cleaning solution. For small stains, use half a cup each of vinegar and water. Apply the cleaning solution with a microfiber cloth, rubbing the stain gently but vigorously. Let the carpet dry for 48 hours, or use box fans to speed up the process. For dry carpet shampoo, sprinkle a light amount onto the carpet and work it in with a brush. Let it sit for 60 minutes, then vacuum the residue. Avoid intense vacuuming to prevent damage to the carpet fibers. Ventilate the area during cleaning by opening windows and doors. Blot spills immediately, and consider renting a steam cleaner for a deep clean. Professionals can also be hired for shag carpet cleaning due to its delicate nature.